Hi everybody, Challenge Wind YouTube channel is back today with a new video. I will tell you before I start why I decided to do this video about side hustles. I am not a millionaire like Bill Gates, but I must tell you after I started doing these side hustles, I was able to lift and keep down big part of my financial burden. Especially with the dropshipping business, I was able to make a considerable sum of money. So I will tell you several tips and tricks on how to do dropshipping business and several other side hustles that made me financially independent. If I can them, you could do them too. Watch till the end of this video and press the subscribe button below so you will get notifications as soon as new videos are uploaded to my channel. I know you guys want financial independence no matter what you do, where you live. Be patient, I will tell you. Some of you may be doing a 9 to 5 job and you don't have anything in your savings account after paying your mortgage repayment, student loans, and monthly bills. Well, we all love to have some extra cash in our savings account for a rainy day, wouldn't you? Your 9 to 5 job might help you pay for the essentials, but a side hustles from home, that's a game changer. That'll make a difference in your wallet while giving you the freedom you always wanted. Some of you might be wondering what is a side hustle. A side hustle is a way to make money outside of your 9 to 5 job. It will allow you to make more money. That'll give you the freedom to pursue your passions, buy things you want, and make your financial worries go away for good. So here are the best side hustles that will help you make more money. Dropshipping is one of the best side hustle job ideas. It allows you to sell a product directly to the customer without having to buy any inventory. Why, that's great, isn't it? You don't need to have a big startup cost, which will keep your risk low. The manufacturer not only carries the inventory but also ships it directly to the customer for you. You advertise the product but have none of the shipping or warranty issues. You should focus mainly on marketing the product and customer service. If you have a strong marketing background and want a side hustle, this is the job for you. You get to be the owner of your very own business. With dropshipping, you can start a business within any of your favorite passions. Do you love stocking your kitchen? Then you can sell kitchen equipment on the internet. Do you have passion for sports? Then you can sell sports gear. Almost any niche can be pursued with dropshipping. After all, as the owner of your own business, you will always have the final say, which makes this a great side hustle. Next method you can do as a side hustle is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you add links to products or services within your own content and then earn a small commission if your readers go to buy these products after clicking through to them from your site. These days, anyone with an internet connection and the know-how can make money by helping brands grow and sell online by participating in affiliate marketing. Well, the amount you can make from affiliate marketing will vary widely. It honestly falls somewhere between zero and millions. Affiliate marketing is an advertising method used by brands to attempt to mitigate wasteful spending in their marketing budget. It can be frustrating for a business to pay thousands for clicks or impressions only to win a handful of customers. Many brands have been burned by such endeavors. So, as online advertising costs have risen, they've turned to innovative ways that minimize cost while still growing their customer base. While most businesses recognize that spending money on advertising is necessary, the ideal situation is to keep their costs limited to customers earned. That is where the idea for marketing with affiliates was born. Your income will be directly related to the type of offers you promote, how much traffic you get to the site, and your grasp of other online marketing skills like email marketing and search engine optimization. Here's the thing, you can pick just about any product that you can buy online, and there will be an affiliate program that will pay you a finder's fee for referring a sale. However, just because you can promote anything doesn't mean you should. The most important thing to consider when selecting a product to market is it relevant to your audience? And you don't have to worry about shipping overhead cost, or customer service. Third side hustle you can earn money is renting out a spare room of your home. If you got a spare bedroom or granny flat, you can list it on a site like Airbnb as accommodation for travelers. The extra cash could be really helpful in paying your rent or mortgage repayments. If you're on rent, don't forget to ask your real estate agent first. First, you will need permission from your landlord. The bottom line is, if you have a space for people, you can probably list it and potentially make some extra money each month. You can start this in a simple way by writing a description of your place and uploading some attractive photographs of the room guests will be staying in. You can set your own rates and the dates your place is available for bookings. There's a bit of time involved in fielding questions from potential guests, meeting guests to check them in and out, and cleaning the room after each booking. If you enjoy meeting new people and don't mind a bit of admin and laundry, sharing your space is a great way to make use of a spare room that would otherwise be wasted. Same way, if you got a car space or a garage you don't use, you can rent it out. Fourth side hustle I recommend you do is start a YouTube channel. If others can do, you too can do it. But there's a lot of competition unlike those days, but there is space for everyone to make money in the YouTube. Some YouTube content creators make thousands of dollars per month. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche so you can build a strong, loyal audience. If you can make music videos, review products, cookery videos, teach skills, make funny videos, or anything else you think there'll be an audience for. The secret to making money on YouTube is to create content people want that will either educate or entertain them. You can create a headline that's funny to entice people to watch, or you can use keywords that are optimized for YouTube search. Once you reach the 1,000 subscriber and the 4,000 views milestone, you can officially monetize your channel with YouTube ads. Fifth side hustle you can do is invest in the stock market. With several major brokerages offering fractional share investing, meaning the ability to buy less than a full share of stock, you can invest. That is, you can buy individual stocks with just $100. That is, if you want to buy a stock with $200 share price, you could use $20 and buy just 0.1 shares. Only a handful of brokerages offer fractional shares, but this option should become more prevalent in the coming years. To start investing in individual stocks, you'll just need to open an investment account with a brokerage company and start making regular deposits of your $100. Finding stocks can seem daunting at first, but you can follow some simple principles to build your beginner portfolio. First and foremost, don't invest in any company with a business you don't understand. By sticking with familiar companies, you'll be better able to tell when they are doing well and when they are doing poorly. Choosing a portfolio of at least 10 or 12 stocks will reduce the risks of big losses if you make a poor choice with one or two of your stock picks, and avoiding stocks that make big moves in both directions is also smart when you are getting started. Over time, you'll learn what to look for in company financial statements, and as you learn, you'll even be better able to distinguish strong stocks from weaker ones. Individual stocks gives you a chance to outperform the broader market averages over the long run. When you're talking about years or even decades of holding quality stocks, the benefits of investing in the best companies in the stock market can pay life-changing rewards to long-term stock investors. Even a single share can grow over the years to become worth a huge amount and help you reach your financial goals. If you want to invest directly in the stock market, $100 won't buy you much if you are going to purchase individual stocks. But you can buy into an entire market by investing with an index-based exchange-traded funds. Exchange-traded funds are like mutual funds, except they have lower fees and don't charge sales or redemption loads. And as an index-based fund, it will be completely passive investment. You won't outperform the market, but you won't underperform it either. Another side hustle you can do is become an Amazon seller. Well, friends, you must be wondering, how can I become a seller when I don't have a product to sell? I will tell you how. Your first step is to determine what you want to sell. To make this decision, you have to do some research. The data you gather and the product choices you make from that data will determine the success or failure of your entire project. Finding good opportunities depends on a lot more than imitating the success of a popular product or competing against products with mediocre Amazon product pages. You need to thoroughly research the products, competition, keywords, and market trends before making a decision. You have to be aware of various selling options in Amazon and decide on the best option. First selling method on Amazon is retail arbitrage. That is, when you visit retail stores such as Walmart or Target, you can buy discounted products and then resell them on Amazon at a higher price. Online arbitrage is the same idea, only that you buy discounted products online and then resell them on Amazon. Second selling method is private label. With private label, you can find a generic product and a manufacturer who can make the product in bulk at a cheap price. Then you tweak the product, adding your logo and business information and sell it under your own brand. Third selling method is wholesale. It means you buy products directly from a major brand such as Nike or Fisher Price at wholesale price and sell them on Amazon. You might start small with just one product on Amazon, and if you are lucky, it might be a one hit wonder. Realistically, if you want to really make some money, you are going to have to expand to sell a whole range of items. Again, study the market to see what's selling well and apply what you learn to your business to create additional or accompanying products. The amount of money you can earn from your side hustle is up to you. It depends on what you choose to do and how much you're prepared to work on it. You could go from making as little as few extra dollars a month into the thousands. Hope you learned something new that will help you earn extra $100. Don't go just yet. Remember to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and smash that like button. I'll see you again in my next video.